Hey y'all, guess what I got? A pumpkin pie. Do y'all see this beautiful pumpkin pie? I just made this pumpkin pie and it's so easy. This is my family's favorite pumpkin pie and I've been making this for years and I want to show you how to make it. It's really, really easy. I'm going to freeze this and then we'll have it for next week at Thanksgiving. So this is our family's favorite pumpkin pie. Coming right at you. Hold on. All right, y'all, favorite pumpkin pie is on page 136 in my book, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. This is the pumpkin pie that I make with my grandchildren. Do y'all make it with your grandchildren or do y'all make anything with your grandchildren? I bet you do, because I've got some really stellar people on here. What is it that you like to cook with your grands? I love making this and cornbread and other things like that, but they love making this. Okay, let's get started with this pumpkin pie. Oh, one more thing I got to tell you. I'm doing a giveaway for Thanksgiving Day. Somebody is going to end up with this lovely tea towel back here from Miss Arlette and both of my books, Time to Eat Y'all and Happiness is Homemade Y'all. So y'all, I'll tell you about that as we get going. But right now, let's make this easy pumpkin pie. Y'all, this is so delicious. I wouldn't steer you wrong on this. The first thing you're going to need is a 15-ounce can of pumpkin. Now, y'all, this is just pumpkin in a can. You don't have to go up to the pumpkin patch. It's just pumpkin in a can. All right. Let's get that going. Y'all, if you're having a good day, give me a heart or a thumbs up and let me know who my happy people are. If you want to be happy, give me a heart because you will be by the time this video is over because we're going to have some fun. All right, we got this in here and now we've got to add this ingredient. Y'all, this is sweetened condensed milk. It is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And y'all, this stuff is so good I could eat it straight out of the can, but I'm not going to. I'm going to behave myself. Do y'all like sweetened condensed milk? It's good, isn't it? I know. I know. When my grands are over here with me, they all want to get a little taste, so I leave a little extra in there for them because they're just the cutest. All right, let's move on. 2 large eggs. Y'all know how to do an egg. This is an easy and fast pie. But y'all don't tell everybody how easy it is because, you know, we don't want them to think that we're just lazy, do we? All right, the next thing we got to do is cinnamon. Now, y'all, it takes a whole teaspoon of cinnamon. Let me get that in there. I love the way the cinnamon is with it. So we got that in. And then we got to do half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Now, y'all don't leave the ground ginger out. It adds something good. Unless you're allergic, then you can leave it out. That's half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Then we're going to do half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. And did I say this was easy? That is all you do. And then we got to turn on the mixer. Now, y'all know I had a little episode with my mixer a while back, but I think we're all going to be behaving right now. So, let's see. You just got to mix it together. And make sure it's blended well. Y'all doing okay today? All right. Okay, y'all. That's about it. That's all she wrote. And now all we got to do is we've got to pour it in a pie crust. Now, y'all, my oven is already cranked up to 425. And you're going to bake this for 15 minutes at 425. And then you're going to turn it down to 350 and bake it for another 35 to 45 minutes. You got to watch it those last 10 minutes. And I'll talk to you about how to know it's done in just a second. Let me get this poured up. Y'all, that's how fast it is to make a pumpkin pie. The stove does the rest of the work. The oven does. Ooh, goodness. That is very, very full. Now, I'm going to tell y'all what I normally do is put it on a sheet pan to bake it because I don't want it to spill in my oven because that's a mess. So I'm gonna do that right quick. Y'all hold on and I'll pop it in the oven. Y'all talk amongst yourselves. All right, I gotta pop it in. Okay, now I'll let that go for 15 minutes at 425 and then I'll turn it down to 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. Now let me tell you the trick to figuring out if it's done. When it gets to the end of the cooking time, you're gonna take a knife. Let me show you one, just take a knife. And if you push it all the way down in the middle and pull it up and it's clean, that baby is done. Go ahead and take it out of the oven. If it has pumpkin on it, it's not done. That's how I test mine. Now it will leave a little crack in there, so you know you can put some Cool Whip or something on it, some whipped cream, and it'll be fine. Nobody will know. Now let me talk to you about freezing the pie. When I pull that out of the oven, I'm gonna let it cool for a couple of hours, okay? For a couple of hours on a rack, let it cool, and then I'm gonna, after it's cool, I'm gonna wrap it up probably 2 to 3 times in plastic wrap, and then wrap it up in foil and put it in my freezer. Now, how do we thaw it? 12 hours before. The minimum is 12 hours. You can take it out earlier than that if you want to. But 12 hours before you're going to serve it, take it out of the freezer and put it in your refrigerator and let it thaw in your refrigerator. Then you're ready to go. So y'all, I'm going to have both of my pumpkin pies ready for Thanksgiving. Isn't that great? So it'll be a lot less stress for me. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in here and show y'all how to do that. Now let me talk to you about the giveaway I'm doing. Y'all, here it is. Miss Arlette's beautiful chicken rooster hen towel I'm going to give away on Thanksgiving Day. How do you need to enter? Go to my page, scroll down, and you'll see a video of me sitting beside the fireplace wearing a purple blouse. That's the video that tells you how to do it. So you'll share that video. You'll tell me something you love about Thanksgiving, and you'll like my page. And then you will go underneath that video and write, I did it. That's what you'll do. And then I'll know you're entered. And on Thanksgiving Day, somebody will win this towel and both of my cookbooks. Ta-da! Both of my cookbooks. Time to Eat, y'all, which was my very first one. It was for the state of Alabama's bicentennial. And Happiness is Homemade, y'all. That's the one I did in 2020. Okay, y'all, my tried and true Southern recipes and Miss Arlette's beautiful towel. Y'all go enter, okay? Please enter. Thanksgiving Day, somebody's going to get this. All right, y'all got anything else? I'm good. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'm going to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and He really does, and I love you too. And y'all go have a good day and a very happy Thanksgiving. Share my videos, people. Somebody else needs a pumpkin pie. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.